Hey guys, taking you to a short tour of our first floor terrace, and with me is Mama. So Mama, over to you.
Here we have some syngomia. I just wanted them to have some sunlight because they were not doing so well inside. So I thought I'll just put them in sun. Otherwise they're in the landing in the staircase. Lemon tree. It bears very good fruits, the kagzi ones. Big fruits and seedless. So here we have our cherry tomatoes and the big tomatoes.
We have placed them under a shade to protect them from frost.
And they get full sun here, as you can see. I have one French bean plant which was not doing so well, so I have sprinkled some ash and boric powder on that because the ants were eating it away. So because we don't use any chemical pesticide or chemical fertilizer, it's fully organic. This is garlic. We normally use green garlic a lot.
Cherry tomatoes.
Grapefruit.
Plant it is laden with flowers, thronged by honeybees and drones and hoverflies, and I'm so happy that you get to see them.
Here we have our guava plant. This has started bearing fruits very fast. I think it was hardly 1 year old when it started bearing fruits. Fruits are very, very sweet and pink from inside, though not very big.
We also have to keep a check on the birds who don't leave any fruit untouched, especially the bulbuls.
Here is fenugreek. This methi I harvested twice already. I'll be harvesting for the third time now. Again some tomatoes. And here I have my pineapple plant, which is on a trial basis. I bought one pineapple from the market and I just planted the crown. I'm hoping it is successful.
The back row is of brinjals, and they are also flowering. Hopefully they'll bear good fruit. Marigold, and then there is a solitary rose plant.
Here I have adenium and lemongrass, which I'm using for my green tea in the morning. I harvested the day before and I use it for morning tea. Garlic, as you can see, this is growing very robust. And some of the seedlings I just transplanted a day earlier. These are very small. This is salvia. And here some clemchu bearing buds. Curry patta with chili plants around it. Green chili. Narangi plant
visited by the small honeybees, flies, overflies, drones.
And because of this, we have very sweet fragrance on our terrace, which we really enjoy.
I wish I could have captured that.
And I make marmalade out of narangi because the chilka is not bitter. Narangi skin is not bitter, it is rather sweet. So I use it for making marmalade. It comes out very well. Then there we have some nasturtium, variegated type. 3-4 plants of nasturtium, and here we have clemchu. It's very soon flowered. Again, green garlic.
Another plant of guava. Everything is in planters. Based on the size of the plant, we choose the planter.
Here I just planted mesembryanthemum just a day earlier. The seedlings I had put, some aster seedlings. Clemchu is ready. It's about to flower and all, as you can see. Again, mesembryanthemum saplings. Adenium.
Here we have money plant of large leaf variety.
Yellow bell pepper seedlings. And some of the French beans. They are bearing flowers, as you can see. Ornamental chili, red one. I normally put it in my garden downstairs, which is an ornamental garden, but this I just planted here. Here we have some plants of nolcol. I have harvested few. These are the ones which are growing. Grapevine. It bore very good fruits during summers. Here again some French bean plants. And methi. Then this is another guava.
Moringa has grown tall and it regularly bears fruit. You can see the buds.
At the base I have these broad bean plants. These vines are again infested by ants and aphids. So I sprinkled some boric powder and rack on this, and 1 or 2 carrot plants. Cabbage, and then nolcol. And salad, of course, has been transplanted. Lettuce has been transplanted.
That's it. Hey guys, I'm going to take you on a short tour of our terrace garden. So starting off from this corner, we've got the custard apple, then this pomegranate, and here is the little bathtub having the water lilies. Right now it is quite dormant. Next to it is a bathtub having broccoli. We have covered the developing broccolis to shield them from frost. We have already harvested them regularly. This has been harvested. Moving on, we come to the planters having tomatoes. Fair amount of tomatoes. There is a guava tree. Tomatoes again. This is the little fig tree. We plan to do away with it because it frequently has pest issues. Lemon tree. Then the front of the terrace has got a row of flowering plants, bougainvillea, jasmine, sort of a bush rose. You can see garlic being planted here. They say that it gives fresh roses. Let's see how true it is. Bougainvillea, and the front row we have tomatoes. This is beetroot. Again in planters, some baskets have marpal. New ones also have been planted. Another crop of broccoli. Some new ones coming after the main has been harvested. We go back and there is this clump of planters having tomatoes, different variety. This long one. This is a recent addition. Mama has converted a swimming pool into a vegetable bed. She has planted norpal and cabbage, some other plants. A lot has gone into it. On an experimental basis. Let's see how successful it turns out. Now coming back to this corner from where I had left. And here we have these boats having tomatoes, and this is green chili. We get them once in a while. Not very healthy, but it has given a fair crop of green chili. Tomatoes again. Beetroot. I think this is capsicum or bell pepper. Beetroot again. Over the tank we have some saplings developing. And this is adenium, the bigger adenium. this side we have pomegranate, curry pasta, curry leaves, sweet honey, whatever. Chiku, sapota, different variety. Our oldest pomegranate. Custard apple tree. And before ending, I will take you to this corner after crossing the composting bins and various manure. This is the spinach bed.